Hey everyone, Steve from OpenBOM. I'm here today with a preview of another great feature that will be coming out in a few days, the ability to download a zip file of your bill of material or your order or your PO that contains, your document from OpenBOM as well as all the related files. Let me show you how that's important. I've got SolidWorks open here. I've got the brake assembly, and I built a BOM out of SolidWorks. And in doing so, I said, hey, look, send all of these properties, send all these file types over to OpenBOM and link them in. So I sent my CAD files. I made PDFs of the drawings and DXFs and step files, and all those things that subcontractors might be interested in. So I built a BOM using OpenBOM, and here it is. And here are all the links to all of those files. And in this example here, I created a PDF of the drawing, linked it into my bill of material. Maybe I have some step files. Here in my case, I generated step files for all my models. There's a lot of interesting information that is linked into this bill of material or this order or this PO. The new feature is right here. On export from OpenBOM, there is a new option here, download a zip including all the files. When I check that and I say export, OpenBOM is going to create a zip file that has the thing I'm exporting, my bill of material, my PO, or anything else, and include all those files that are linked in. And let's take a look at what that zip file looks like. Here's a zip file with, in my case, I've got all the SolidWorks files, I got all the step files, all the DXFs, the PDFs of the drawings, etc., are all included in here, as well as my Excel file of the thing that I just exported. This could be a PO or anything else. So you think about this as a package that you would send off to your supplier. That is everything that you've got on the screen in OpenBOM, and all the files are linked in on the back. So this will be out in a few days. It's October 2021. We'd always love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.